Would you all rather be always late for important events by 10 minutes, or would rather attend every event 20 minutes early?
Neither of it. I'll say be on
Now you
time.
have to select one.
No, that's what. So even this is something that my team also says, that I'm a kind of a person who is rarely late to meetings. I'm talking about like pre-COVID times also. So I always try to be on time. It's very rare that my previous meetings get extended, or even in the physical world, I'm making anyone late. So I try to reach early. So yes, the second one, I try to reach early rather than making anyone else wait for me. I don't like letting like making people wait for me. So yeah, I'll not 20 minutes early, but maybe 10 minutes, 15 minutes early.
Okay, so would you like to get stranded in Antarctica or in a desert?
Um, Antarctica, just like that. I don't know. Spend some time with penguins.
Okay, would you rather always have full battery for your phone or full tank of your car?
That's a tough one. Um, I'll go with full battery for my phone. I love traveling, but I don't like driving in like on busy streets. If it's empty roads, then I'll prefer full tank of my car. Uh, I can just like zoom past by. But, otherwise, I'll go with the full battery for my phone. Sit like lie down on my bed and then just like use it till it dies off.
Next one.
Well, sorry to interrupt, but it is never gonna die up because you will be having you will be having it tonight. Okay.
Okay, would you rather have a pause button in your life or have a rewind button?
Uh, I'll go with the pause button instead. So pause button will help me like just pause everything and then reflect back on what happened wrong instead of going back and then coming forward. Just pause there. Automatically it helps you reflect back instead of like doing rewind and then coming back to the front, to the actual time.
Okay, would you like to be a vegan or only be able to eat meat?
Vegetarian always.
Okay. Next one, would you rather never age physically or never age mentally?
Never age mentally.
Why?
I don't know. Physical also is fine, but I'm 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 I like to keep my brain working every time. So it's okay if I never age mentally, so that I don't forget things. At least I'll remember till my death.
Okay, would you rather continue with your life or restart it?
Maybe restart it, just like that. Do a fresh start.
Why?
Okay, bye.
Um, so my philosophy of life is you can continue with whatever you have done. Just a restart will give you a totally fresh perspective to whatever you have been doing. So continuation. So think of it. You whenever things get stuck in your laptop or TV or somewhere, what do you do? Do you continue or do you restart? You restart, right? It reboots. It gives you completely fresh things. So that's the same philosophy of life that I apply. uh, I just restart things instead of just continuing with whatever it's going on.
Uh,
Okay, would you rather speak your mind or never speak again?
Speak my mind always. Like I I I was a person who was an introvert. Used to be silent, never speak up. But then I learned it a bit hard way, and I'm kind of a person who just like speaks my mind. But yeah, be mindful about what you are speaking, because words spoken are like arrows. You can't take them back. So just be mindful with what you're speaking. There are ways to communicate. There are ways to say something, making sure people get convinced, uh, instead of instead of never speaking. So speak up your mind, but be mindful about what you're speaking, and speak less.
Would you rather live in an amusement park or live in a zoo?
Amusement park. I love adventure, so I think amusement park will be the thing for me.
Now, would you rather to be forced to listen to the same 10 songs on repeat for rest of your life, or forced to watch the same 5 movies on repeat for the rest of your life?
Yeah, I'll go with songs instead of movies. Like, I don't know, movies are something that I get bored after watching like one or two times at max. There are very few movies that I can watch anytime and on repeat. Not on repeat, but mostly like after certain intervals. So that's where I go with songs instead of
Your
movies.
favorite song?
Mostly I like A.R. Rahman and Lucky Ali songs. Pick in any of it, it's my favorite.
Okay, would you rather have a time machine or a teleporter?
What's the difference? I think both of them are same, right?
Teleporter will make you
No.
go from one place to another. Time machine can make you travel in the past or future.
Okay. I'll go with, I don't know, maybe with time machine. You can be at one place at one time. Can't be at like multiple places. So another philosophy of life is, um, you can't go back in time. So just be anywhere you want, see how things were, then come back. That's it. Like you can't change it. Just be there, see how things were, and then come back.
Okay, would you rather have to write everything you say out by hand or only be able to speak in rhymes?
Uh, I'm okay either ways. Like I've stopped writing for a while. It's been quite some time. I have like given exams and like writing. So I'm okay either ways. But if I have to choose, maybe I'll go with the second one. Only be able to speak in rhymes.
Okay. Constantly worry about germs or be terrified of a monster under the bed?
The second one, be terrified of a monster under the bed. I'm not worried about germs.
Okay. Would you rather never be able to use the phone again or never be able to use a computer?
I can go with phone. I can leave phone, but I can't leave the computer.
Okay. Be forced to wear the same thing every day or have to do same thing every day?
I'm okay to wear same thing every day instead of doing the same thing every day. So wearing is fine, but not doing the same thing.
Okay. Would you rather get rid of one bad habit or one good habit or get a new good habit?
The second one, get a good habit. Maybe it will outnumber the bad habits. One day you'll forget the bad habits. But you never know.
Would you rather be a center of attention or go unnoticed?
I would prefer being center of attention. Like everyone loves attention, so why not? But sometimes I prefer going unnoticed also. But it's both. But yeah, I have to choose. I'll go with first.
Okay. Would you rather not use email for a month or feel hungover for a month?
I would prefer not using email for a month. It's fine. I think there was a time when I checked my mails after 15 days of time, and my inbox was flooded with mails. But yeah, it kind of gave me a good relax 15 days. So I'm okay to not go with like emails for a month if I get an option, hopefully.
Okay. Would you rather lose your keys or forget your cell phone?
Forget my cell phone. I'm okay to lose my keys. Not okay to lose
Okay.
my keys.
This one is interesting. Would you rather be part of the communities or become the prime minister?
Uh, that's a tough one. I would be more inclined towards being part of the communities. But being a prime minister will just give you more responsibility and give you more opportunities also to do better for the communities. So it's a tough call. So it's a tie. I don't know. Never thought about it.